everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be seeing how to make Kerala style Aviyal. Aviyal is one of a side dish which is always served with a lentil dosa called adai, and this is very famous in the state Kerala. And let's see how to make this Kerala style Aviyal. Aviyal is always made using thick vegetables like carrot, beans, drumstick, yam, plantains, any of the thick vegetables, thick country vegetables. And today I have taken carrots, long beans, drumstick, raw mango, cucumber and snake gourd. These are pre-cut vegetables. You can substitute with any other thick vegetable of your choice. Now first I'm just tempering little bit of curry leaves in 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm adding the first set of vegetables, which are like the carrots, drumstick and long beans. Later I'm going to add the rest of the cucumber, raw mango and the snake gourd. The reason is carrots, long beans and drumstick, they take a longer time to cook compared to the other soft vegetables that we're going to add. Let us saute all these vegetables until the raw smell fades away. You can add salt now, or you can just add at the end of the cooking also. You can see the vegetables are nicely sauteed. Now I'm adding the soft vegetables and then I'm coating it in the oil that we added. For today's recipe, I'm adding the regular olive oil. You can also add coconut oil, which brings the authentic taste of Aviyal. You can see the vegetables are almost half dead. Now let's add water and then let's completely cook all these vegetables. For today's vegetable, I am adding half a cup of water, and then let me see how well they are cooking, and in case if we need more water, we will add another quarter cup to another half cup after they are done. While the time the vegetables are cooking, let's make a paste using coconut. I'm using 3 tablespoons of shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and 1 green chili. You can adjust the green chili according to your spicy level, and grind it into a coarse paste. Just add little bit of water and then we are going to add it to our vegetables. By the time we make our coconut paste, our vegetables are all ready, and let's add the paste to our vegetables. After I added the coconut paste, I am adding salt, and make sure if you have added salt while cooking the vegetables, we have to adjust it accordingly. Since I didn't add any other salt when we are cooking the vegetables, I'm adding the amount which we need right now. And we will saute the coconut mixture for 2 to 3 minutes until the raw smell fades away. Once the coconut mixture is completely cooked, turn off the heat and let this mixture cool down a little bit, because the final step will be adding yogurt. Yogurt gives this Aviyal a sour taste, so that when we're eating with rice or adai or any other combinations like chapati, it will give a nice sour taste with the mixture, because all the vegetables which we have added are kind of bland. So this yogurt will enhance the flavor of our Aviyal. Some people do not use yogurt, they will just increase the amount of coconut and then they will adjust with the water level. But a traditional Aviyal, we use a yogurt, so that it gives us a nice sourness to our palate. And make sure never ever cook on high heat, because the yogurt will split. The final step for Aviyal is checking the consistency. If you like to have a thick consistency, you can stop the stove right now and then add few strands of curry leaves, and then it is ready to be served. I like it a little bit in a semi consistency, so I'm just adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Once I see the yogurt mixture cooking, I'm just gonna turn off the stove, add little bit of oil and curry leaves, and it is ready to be served. It's a very simple recipe. It is flavorful, and it is very good for little kids who are starting to eat different kinds of vegetables. You can substitute any vegetable as per your preference and it will taste amazing. This is a very simple and easy recipe. You can make it in under 30 minutes, and I hope this recipe will be very useful to you. I'll see you all in another video. Until then, bye from Archana. Take care. Bye bye.